Because we would like to take the chance to celebrate one thing. There's a special person in this room who has done something special. This person have installed more than 10,000 Axis units until today. So we have a message from our founder, Martin Gren. Martin, who is also our board member today, he's in New York. He could not be here even though he loves Finland. He is in New York opening an experience center for our customers there, but he sent a message. So let's have a look.
You did.
Hello Finland, it's Martin Gren here. I'm one of the founders and board members of Axis, and we have learned that we have a very special person here with us, an installer who has the experience of installing more than 10,000 Axis cameras during his career. 10,000 cameras, that's a lot, it's a huge amount. It's definitely a good reason for celebration. So I want to give a warm greeting to Mr. Toivo Hakkarainen, or Toppy as he's called by his friends. So Toppy, thank you for all the years working with Axis. We really appreciate your hard work and dedication. It's really impressive. So thanks again Toppy, and wish you to enjoy Open very much. And good luck installing the next 10,000 cameras. I'm from New York.
So big warm applause for Toivo Hakkarainen. Please come on. Thank you so much. Thank you. Jouni has a
Special prize.
Camera number 10,000.
So do you mind a photo of us together?
Great.
Yeah, thank you.